contest are Jason midcourt to the court, Irving McCullough to the beam, and Eric Dubois.
Run him, Daz.
Without further ado, let's get ready to play Roundball Classic Basketball. Foul called at number 13, Curtis White. His first, team's first. From the land of Trey, number 22, Kyle Carlson. Basket by number 34, Katie Jacobo. Christopher walking violation.
41!
Number 31, Brayton Keith.
Good job, Brayton. Good job. Help. Cut back door.
Called number 34, Haney Jacobo. His first, team's first. Basket by number 45, Terrell Ford. In reverse, leg number 22, Kyle Carlson.
Too much dribbling. Not going anywhere. That dribbling goes somewhere. Too much dribbling. Not a good shot. Didn't make the defense shift or anything. It took some shot.
That was called on number 30, Malik Brown. His first, team second. Free throw good from number 45, Terrell Ford. Into the game for the Malemutes, number 23, Gabriel Howard. Terrell Ford goes 2 for 2 from the line. So 30 seconds.
Too much dribbling. That's what they need to do.
That was called the number 23, Gabriel Howard. His first, team second. At the line for the T-Birds, number 10, Desmond Johnson. Johnson good on the first. String music on the second.
He's in the key. Nice drive, just got to finish. Ten seconds in the key. Over the back.
Foul is called to number 22, Kyle Carlson. Checking into the game for the Malemutes, number 3, Jaden Whiteside. In the game for the T-Birds, number 15, Clayton Washburn.
We're holding it. We're holding it. You got this one. You got that one. There you go.
Knifing for the basket, number 31, Brayton Keith.
Just pass the ball. Come on, baby. Let's go. Get it back on D. Let's go. Get it back on D.
In the game for the Malemutes, number 34.
Keep playing, Clayton. Keep playing, Clayton. See man, see ball. See man, see ball. Watch him in the key. He's in the key. Hey, don't let him do that, Malik. Don't let him get that spot. There you go. Nice take.
I picked in the basket, number 22, Kyle Carlson.
Too much dribbling. Got to move the ball. Get the defense shifted.
line to complete the three-point play, number 10, Desmond Johnson. Checking the game for the Malemutes, number 32, Sean Carter. And into the game for the T-Birds, number 33, Carson Washburn.
Go Carson!
Hands off, hands off, hands off. Chest him, chest. There you go. Oh, no way. What did he get him with? Come on, Vern.
Foul was called on number 10.
Hands straight up, feet not moving, Vern.
Team's third.
That's red. Oh, jeez. Throw it, throw it, throw it! No contact? Don't let him get there.
Your score at the end of one.
Why dribble? Just pump fake and go up, man. No, Carson.
Basket by number 21, Tyreek Jennings. Assist from number 25, Cole Burner.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Foul was called at number 45, Terrell Ford. His first, team's fifth. At the line for the T-Birds, number 31, Brayden Keith.
I believe he got fouled a little bit.
Sometimes they don't give it to you when you do that.
Keith connects on the first. Let's call it 2 for 2.
Yeah, it was a three.
It's off his hand. It's off of White's hand. Carson, keep him out of there. Don't let him come there. Yeah, don't let him get in the key. Keep him out of the key. Keep him out of the key. There you go. Keep him out of the key. What? Good job, Carson.
Foul was called on number 33, Carson Washburn. On the line for the Malemutes, number 45, Terrell Ford.
Good work, Carson. Good work. Good work. Nice shot.
Ford good on the first. Into the game for the T-Birds, number 24, Brandon Harrell.
Good shooting for a big
Ford
man.
goes 2 for 2 from the line.
Good shooting for a big man.
He's a career 86.5% free throw shooter.
Reach, reach, reach.
3 points, number 11, LD Gomez.
If you got pushed out on a loose ball, you couldn't go out
He kept
pass. On
He
offense.
said he went out of bounds and he came back in and he touched the ball. I don't know. Throw the ball ahead. Pass it ahead.
Foul is called on number 13, Curtis White. His second, team 6. Into the game for the Malemutes, number 23, Gabriel Howard.
Oh, spin on him, spin on him.
Foul is called on number 21, Tyreek Jennings. His first, team 7. Picking up three the hard way, Desmond Johnson.
Keep him out, Carson. Keep him out, Carson. Keep him out, Carson. Hands straight up, straight up, straight up.
Nice shot, Bird.
Nice passing. And one. Yeah. 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 I didn't see the. Oh, okay. I was gonna say I didn't see the points go up there, but they put them up. They take a while to put them up.
Well, it's called on number 45, Terrell Ford. His second, team 8.
Hey, nice shot, Carson!
Point play, number 10, Desmond Johnson.
Way to play, Carson. He argued. He said 8-4, but that was a foul, right? Argue with a guy with a hammer. He don't know these Anchorage refs.
Number 10, Desmond Johnson. basket number 21, Tyreek Jennings.
Somebody in the middle, somebody in the middle. He can take that guy to the basket all day long. Pump fake and straight to the basket. They're giving you the lane.
That was called on number 10, Destin Johnson.
He came from out of bounds.
He's second. Team's fifth. In the game for the Malemutes, number 32, Sean Carter, and number 3, Jaden Whiteside. To the basket, number 32, Sean Carter.
Good take, Bird.
Number 22, Kyle Carlson. His second, team's ninth. At the line for the T-Birds, number 24, Brandon Harrell. Harrell connects on the first. Harrell goes 2 for 2 from the line. This season he's shooting 76.4% from the line. By number 10, Desmond Johnson.
Move your feet. Go reach for the ball. Move your feet.
That was called on number 24, Brandon Harrell. Into the game for the T-Birds, number 20, Lewis Bonner. And number 31, Brayton Keith.
Yes. Don't celebrate, play some defense. Yeah, listen to your coach. Hands up.
Travel. We don't have rebounders. We don't have rebounders. Good. Pump fake. Pass again. Oh, right idea.
Basket by number 22, Kyle Carlson. Basket by number 10, Desmond Johnson.
Travel! What happened to the travel?
He rolled.
First half, checking into the game for the Malemutes, number 25, Cole Burner. Number 11, LD Gomez.
Good shot, Hayes.
3 points, number 21, Tariq Janis.
Slowing it down again.
Number 31, Drake Key. That's another 3 for number 21, Tariq Janis. He's heating up. Foul is called on number 13, Curtis White. His third, team's first. Number 45, Foul is called on number 30, Malik Brown. His second, team's first. At the line for the Malemutes, number 22, Kyle Carlson. Carlson goes 2 for 2 from the line. Bank is open for number 11, LD Gomez. Answering on the other end with 3, number 22, Kyle Carlson. Checking in the game for the T-Birds, number 40, Loki Nicholson. In the game for the Malemutes, number 23, Gabriel Howard. Basket by number 23, Gabriel Howard.
Oh, he stepped over him. That's a tech. He walked back over.
Followed on number 11, LD Gomez.
Stepped over.
And on the line for the Malemutes, number 22, Kyle Carlson. In the game for the Jeepers, number 24, Brandon Harrell.
So now they need to get serious. Take it right to the basket.
Let's go, East. Get out of there. Give him the lane. Watch the corner. Watch the corner. Come on, Vern.
Foul is called on number 40, Loki Nicholson. At the line for the Malemutes, number 21, Tyreek Jennings. Jennings connects on the first into the game for the Malemutes. Number 3, Jaden Whiteside. Basket good from number 21, Tyreek Jennings.
Play ball. Play ball. I think you're slowing it down too much. Come on. I think attack.
That's 3 for 3, Jake Whiteside.
Don't take your time. Hurry up, man. Let's go. Push the ball. Just taking your time stuff ain't working. What are we doing? The basket. Hey, that's probably tracking the basket.
That was called number 45, Terrell Ford. His third, team's third at the line for the T-Birds, number 24, Brandon Harrell.
On your toes, on your toes.
In the game for the Malemutes, number 32, Sean, don't call me P. Diddy Carter. Arnold connects on the second. Following jumper number 22, Kyle Carlson.
I don't get it. Your first half you were attacking the basket, second half we're playing catch.
Foul is called on number 23, Gabriel Howard. His second, team's fourth. The end of the game for the Malemutes, number 13, Curtis White. Foul is called on number 21, Tariq Dennis. His second, team's fifth. At the line for the T-Birds, number 10, Desmond Johnson.
Come on, Desmond, on your toes. There it is.
What up, Jeff?
What's going on?
Happy New Year's, man.
Happy New Year to you too.
Champion of the game for the T-Birds, number Reversal play.
Yep, push.
Foul is called on number 45, Terrell Ford. His fourth.
One more.
Team sixth.
Hey, Devin, one more. Take him to the basket. He's got 4. 45's got 4. 45's got 4. Oh, go to him.
Number 34, Hey Jacobo. Answering on the other end, number 21, Tariq Jennings.
45's got 4. Post-up game, man. Post-up game. Right there. There he is.
Pull-up jumper, number 11, LB Gomez.
It's all right. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot.
Basket by number 45, Terrell Ford. Assist from number 21, Tariq Jennings.
Yep, go straight up. Don't stop. Don't stop. Go to him. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yeah.
Foul is called on number 25, Cole Berger. At the line for the T-Birds, number 10, Desmond Johnson. Checking into the game for the T-Birds, number 15,
Nice job, Brady. Nice job, Brady.
Washburn.
Hey, don't fall, Brady. Keep shooting.
He is the game for the Malemutes, number 23, Gabriel Howard, and number 3, Jaden Whiteside.
On your toes, Desmond. There you go.
Full timeout, called by the T-Birds. His third, team's fourth. At the line, number 45, Terrell Ford. Baseline jumper number 21, Tariq Jennings.
Need 31 in the game. Need 31 in the game. Freaking A.
Basket by number 3.
Gotta force the action though. Give it. Swing it, swing it, swing it. What is he doing? Three freaking turnovers, man. How 45 is still in the game is beyond me, because everything would have went right. Oh.
Knifing to the basket, number 22, Kyle Carlson.
Why we
Foul is called on number 3, Jaden Whiteside. His second, team's 8th. At the line for the T-Birds, number 11, LD Gomez.
Go, LD.
Elijah, are those your traditions? They are, pick them up and put them. Nice shot, nice shot.
Gomez good on the first.
Nice shot. 5 buckets for the win. Let's go. 5 buckets for the win. 5 stops.
Gomez goes 2 for 2 on the line. He's a career 74% free throw shooter.
3 would be beautiful. You can't get that though. He ain't gonna dribble.
That was called the number 34, Haney Jacobo.
Get him! Get it on the inbound!
Come on, baby.
Full timeout, called by the Malemutes.
All the way, Brayden. Oh. Don't back up, don't back up.
third. Team 7. Check into the game for the Malemutes. Number 13, Curtis White.
Now they got to move the ball up the court quick.
And out the line for the Malemutes, number 21, Tyreek Jennings.
Make it 4-3. 3 threes in the layup.
Jennings goes 2 for 2 from the line. Fast break basket number 21, Tyreek Jennings.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh.
Check into the game for the Malemutes, number 3, Jaden Whiteside. That was called on number 31, Brayden Key. His first, team's 8 at the line for the Malemutes, number 23, Gabriel Howard. Gabriel Howard, a shot so nice, we'll do it twice. Basket good for number 11, Obi Gomez. That was called at number 34, Haiti Jacobo. His fourth. Team's 9. Into the game for the Malemutes, number 25, Cole Burner. Your final score,